Among the non-tribal living in BTC, 70% are not illegal immigrants who violate the Indian Constitution. Assam government is responsible to identify and evict those illegal immigrants. But the government is not fulfilling its responsible for the illegal migrant in BTC. To make agreement with is the conspiracy of the government to legalize the legal. Some rights given by the Indian Constitution were not given importance by the government. The tribal had to take both violence or non-violence, and the government had to given it to the Bodo tribes, Bodo community. But the sad thing is that the government had to be deals with the non-tribal and Bodo people with their left hand. And they are in a conspiracy to take back the opportunity given by the murder. Evacuating tribal area means anti-constitution. Anti-constitution means anti-law. Anti-law means thief. Putting thieves in jail is government responsibility, but sitting in agreement with them to give chance to thieves means joining the government with thieves. So that government is moral patron. The government which had moral impression cannot be bring peace in the country because the government itself is a lawless man. Assamese tribe are the oldest resident of Assam, so the tribe should have got the status of Assamese people first. But some people from the foreign countries have seen those people have foreign thinking and thinking foreign language as Assamese language and doing aggressive action on those ancient tribes. So the time has come for all the tribes of Assam to work together to prevent that attack. Just like the intelligent thieves throw away the hardy meat, shut the mouth of the burning dogs, they are targeting the tribal leader to shut their mouth and loot the tribes by giving them a chance to eat mattress and money. It is very important for the tribal to be careful when they have time. Peace-loving tribes don't want to take care of anyone's right to stranger in their area, but peace and violence does not mean tolerating someone oppression in migrant of the unborn is attack on the tribe. So be it violence against the attack and the injustice or violence. Let it be non-violence. A public awareness is needed. Let all the tribes be united and protect your rights. We don't have trust on Assam government because in that government 80% are the minister, 80% are the minister and MLA of the people is Assamese.